Hey y'all, so we're still in the glow up of this beautiful weekend van build camp out we just had. I don't know if you haven't seen the videos that folks are making, please check out Late Bloomer 1111, James the Ethnic Explorer, and Way Out Railroad. We have some van tour videos coming up, but for now I just wanted to do a little flashback episode of my trip to teach at the Shenandoah Valley Herbal Gathering in West Virginia at Hillary's place, Sacred Roots Herbal Sanctuary. I'm going to be teaching there again this June. I would love for you to join me. There's still time to buy tickets, but for now, just enjoy this little flashback to last June. And we'll have those van tours for you as soon as possible. Having a little technical difficulty. Our reception out here is a little wonky, so I'm working on it, but it will be coming. So enjoy this for now, and let me know if you have any questions, and maybe we'll see you at the next van build. Peace. For some reason, the makers of the Honda Element didn't see a reason to provide a way to get out of the back from the inside of the car. So, years ago, when we were still living in DC, I found some YouTube videos on how to make that myself by removing the panel and doing some stuff to the inside. So, I was able to make a latch that you can open from the inside.
Yes, yes, you know. I believe in packing for everything. Thank you so much. Of course. Cheers, man. I know, this is beautiful. He's showing off a little bit. He's posing. Look at that. He's like, yes.
Yeah, really showing off.
Oh, okay, sir.
What?
Okay.
I'm telling you, you clowning. Like something about
Was that in the wintertime? Yeah.
I'll be teaching an incense making workshop at this year's gathering. This year will be my third time teaching at Hillary's place. I have visited there more than that. It's such a wonderful space to just relax and be, and she was a huge inspiration and still is for what we're doing at our land. After losing my keys and having to wait for the locksmith, the fairies helped me decide to take my time on this trip home. And I decided to take a little detour and go see a cavern. I got the last tour of the day at Endless Caverns in Virginia, and I got to do the tour all by myself with just the tour guide, and he was pretty cool. We chatted a little bit here and there, but most of the time it was pretty quiet and you could just hear the sound of the cave. I'd never been in a cave before, or if I have, it was when I was a very little kid and I don't remember. Um, but yeah, this was beautiful space, and at one point he turned all the lights off so I could experience what it would be like in the dark completely, and it would be really hard to find your way out.
Right.
So I was glad that the lights could come back on, but the temperature was chill, and I just enjoyed seeing all the different shapes. It was hard to believe it's real. Apparently, two little boys discovered Endless Caverns, discovered this cavern system just when they were playing, and they happened to uncover it. And they call it Endless Caverns because people have tried to get to the end of it, but they ran out of food before they could. And I think it had been like 4 days, one direction, and so they had started to run out of food, so they came back.
No,
So that's why
thankfully.
they call it Endless Caverns. And when you see it from the outside, you could see that it's probably miles and miles long.